Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to go through with a blueprint of reduced syllabus, that is of 2020 on 2021 English. Okay, this one is for the class 12th, that to Karnataka board. Okay, so from Romeo and Juliet, okay, you will be having a 1 mark and 4 mark. So overall 2 marks, 5 marks you will be able to obtain from the first chapter. And in 2 Dear you will have 1 mark, 4 mark and 6 marks, that is overall 11 marks you may be able to obtain from the second chapter. And from the third chapter on children you will have 1 4 mark and 1 mark. It means complete 5 mark you will be able to obtain from the third chapter. So sunny morning there is 2 4 marks, it means 8 and 1 mark, that is 9. So last year summary used to ask, okay, when it was not reduced syllabus, summary used to ask, but according to this year's model paper, when we check, there is 2 4 mark is being asked and no summary is being asked. It means no 6 mark has been asked. So it is better to get prepared for the sunny morning summary as well. Why? Because if this may not get asked, this may surely get asked. So overall 4, that is 8 plus 1, 9 marks. And let's move on to the another chapter, that is gardener. 1 4 mark and 1 mark will be surely asked. By that we will be able to get 5 marks completely. And heaven if you are not here on earth, this summary is very important for this year. Why? Because in both the model paper which have been released by the Department of PU Education of Karnataka, it has given, even in the model paper 1 it has asked for 6 marks, even in the model paper 2 it has asked for 6 marks. So it will be better if you prepare for the summary of this chapter, heaven if you are not here on earth, written by Kuvempu. So overall you will be able to get 7 marks from this chapter. After that, Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye, in that 4 mark 1 and 1 mark 1 will be asked. By that we will be able to get 5 mark. And the water even here we have 4 mark, okay, and 1 mark, that is overall we will be able to get 5 mark. And where there is a wheel, so again this is very important chapter because summary is being asked again in the both of the model paper. So 2 Dear, heaven if you are not here on earth, and where there is a wheel. This is the summary which has been asked for this year reduced syllabus model paper 1 and model paper 2. So it would be better if you prepare very well for this 3 summaries, for 6 marks. So overall you will be able to get 6 marks plus 10 marks plus 1 mark, that is overall 11 marks. As I forgot to write when you are old here, so when you are old you will be able to get 1 mark and 4 mark from this chapter. So overall you will be able to get 5 marks. So theory part, the marks which you can get is total 50 marks. So let's move on to the grammar part. So as you can see, from the passage writing you will be able to get 10 mark. After that we have poem writing, where 2 to 3 stanzas, lines will be given of the poem and 3 questions will be asked. So 3 marks will be given for that. And after that we need to report a speech. There will be a dialogue given. To that we need to report a speech. By that we will get 5 marks easily. After that we have passive voice. It means a fill up which we have to answer properly. That is by that we will be able to get 3 marks. And after that we have a dialogue writing. There will be some fill-ups, filling the blanks, and it would be a dialogue. We have to complete those dialogues. By that we will be able to get 4 marks. And after that we have expressions, like a fill-up it will be asked. We have to answer them properly. By that we will be able to get 2 marks. And like that expressions with the options will be given. Like here also a fill-up will be asked with the options, and we have to write the suitable linkers. By that we will be able to get 4 marks. After that we have a note making. So a paragraph will be given. We have to make the note. By that we will be able to get. And 8 questions will be asked. Half mark you will be get. So overall 4 marks you will be able to obtain from note making. And after that we have a letter writing. The letter writing will be specially from job application only. After that we have speech. As a sports secretary, as a college leader, you have to give some speech, or else you have to report some of the bar graph or pie diagram will be given. You have to report those bar graph and all. So by doing that, in or question will be asked whether you have to write a speech or you have to do the report. By that you will be able to get easily 5 marks. After that we'll be having a pronoun and references. By that we will be able to get 4 marks and 1 mark for the arranging the jumbled sentence. I'll make a separate video where we can easily practice all the grammars one by one in a very easy manner, and it will help you as well to get very good score in that. And for poem, for the prose writing, for 4 marks at least you have to write 20 lines, and for 6 marks at least you have to write 1.5 page. So that is it. I hope this video helps. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.